Hey there, I'm Alicia, and today we are going to be sprucing up this home with a brand new sliding barn door. Wait until you see just how easy it is. As you can see, we've already removed the old door, so we're ready to install the new one. A barn door is a fun way to add some character to your home, and today we'll show you how to do it with the JELD-WEN DesignGlide hardware. If you're a DIYer, you're going to find this pretty simple. And what's really neat is you can use an antique door from the 40s, or you could pick something brand new. Because DesignGlide, well, it works with any 80-inch standard door. That means you have more options and less cost. And helping me out today is my old pal, Dylan.
Hey, Alicia.
Well, hello.
Now today we'll be installing one of JELD-WEN's solid core doors. Now when moving these doors, don't work alone. Be sure to practice safe lifting. Use 2 people to lift and place the door.
You can see that as it is, the door doesn't quite fit the entry, but I think you're going to be really impressed when it's all done. Now with typical barn door hardware, you're required to use an 84-inch door. This means you have less options and more expense. But with the DesignGlide, you have the freedom to choose any 80-inch door.
All right, let's move the door to the bench and install the hardware.
Let's do it. So today we're going to be using the satin nickel kit, which gives a more modern look.
I really like this hardware. JELD-WEN also has a matte black rustic kit.
Now another really cool thing about this DesignGlide hardware is that it has soft close technology. That means it's not going to slam. And we'll show you that later. But for now, let's get started. So Dylan, what tools are we going to need?
You probably already have most of these. If not, you'll find them at any home improvement store. Today we'll be showing you the basic installation steps. For more details, refer to the instructions that come with your kit.
Now first we're going to install the door hardware, and to do that we are going to use the handle drill guide that came with the kit to drill the holes for the handle. Now remember, when you're putting the handle on the door, you want to do it on the side that's closest to the opening when the door is in its open position. There's also an optional larger finger pull for the back side of the door, and that's really easy to install. So in the installation guide, you will find instructions for dealing with the rail's mounting pattern. Basically, you're going to use the rail as a stencil and you'll drill 4 holes in the bottom of the door, and then you'll attach that bottom rail. For the top rail, you'll drill 6 holes. Then you'll fasten the rail and hangers into place. And then you'll finish by hand tightening. So using the track as a guide, you can mark and pre-drill the track's mounting holes. Locate as many studs as possible. Pre-drill the backer board, which allows the door to jut out from the wall, and then fasten it to the wall. Now we add the soft closes to the track. These are what give you that silent, non-slamming performance that we talked about earlier. And now we are going to attach the track to the backer board. Now for the floor guide, what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole right into the floor, and then we will hand tighten. All right, it is now time for the magic moment where we get to actually hang our barn door. Ready?
Yeah. We lift the door and place the bottom rail over the floor guide. Then place the hangers on the track.
It fits perfectly. Well, all that's left now is installing the soft close hardware. And to do that, we are going to use the Allen wrench that came with the kit, and we are going to tighten up the anti-jump rods onto the trigger. Once we do that, we'll slide the door to the center, and then we are going to install the triggers onto the rail.
Now, JELD-WEN DesignGlide hardware allows you to adjust the final open and close position of the door with the door still on the rail. This is helpful in case the backer board that you installed earlier is a little bit off.
All right, now give a listen to this. Let her rip, Dylan.
Smooth. Not a sound.
Not a sound. Now for larger openings, these kits can be used for double doors too. And let me tell you, another great job, sir.
You're making me blush.
Well, hey. We will see you again on the next show.